Do you want to know how you can log into your USA Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your USA Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for USA Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of USA Payroll. As you can see, there are three types of logins: employer, employee, and accountant. You must go to your employee login if you are an employee, and same goes for your accountant. If you click on employee login, you can see it will directly lead you to this page where you can write down your login ID, write down your password, click submit, and log into your employee login. And there are other options like evolution and enterprise as well, so you can click them as well. And other options are tax returns and HR support. That's for employee login, and if you click to employee login, you can see there are three different options: employee portal, enterprise, and swipe clock. You must click on employee portal, which is over here, and it will take you to this site where you can write down your username, your password, check your password once you're done, and if it is correct, go ahead and click sign in. This way you can sign into your employee portal as well. You can also check these out. And for the accountant, there is evolution, payroll, enterprise, and tax returns. So guys, this is how you log into your USA Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.